What's good, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Folded by Kehlani. I'm getting a lot more love on my TikTok tutorial about this song, so I figured I'd make a full-length tutorial here on YouTube. By the way, if you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, you might want to go ahead and follow me there because I have quick tutorials on songs that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube. So go ahead and check it out. My link is going to be down in the description and pinned comment. So for this full-length tutorial, I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. As always, timestamps are going to be down in the pinned comment and description below, so you can refer to that if you really need to. But now, here's a little preview of what the song is going to sound like. So can you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not frozen. So can you come pick up your clothes? I have them folded. As you can see, I have a capo here on the 6th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. Really simple. You only need to know 3 chords, and those 3 chords are C major 7, B minor 7, and A minor 7. And now here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is C major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string and 3rd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Now you can also play on the 3rd fret if you don't mind bar chords. So you would bar the 3rd fret and then put your finger on the 4th fret of the G string and the 5th fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Either one works. Next chord is B minor 7, so we're going to bar the 2nd fret and we're putting our fingers on the 3rd fret of the B string and the 4th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. Next and last chord is A minor 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. And that is the chord progression exactly in that order. If we were to think about this in 4 counts, it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the strumming pattern, I'm going to give you an example on the bottom of your screen, and I'm going to play the chord progression for you guys. So just pay close attention and take note of the strumming pattern. That's just an example of what you can do. As you noticed in the preview that I did, you can also pluck the strings if you want to, but I just gave you the example that I did at the end of the preview where I'm just strumming it. So like I always say, if you figure out another way that sounds best to you, then by all means go ahead, you are the creator, but that's how you play the song. Alright, so as always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I hope that it helped you out. If you have any comments, and especially if you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment that down below. If you did like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you are here, I'd like to invite you again to follow my other social media platforms. Again, like I said, I have TikTok. I also have Instagram, and I'm going to link those in the pinned comment and description down below. Like I said earlier, I have tutorials there that I don't necessarily have on here, and they are quick under a minute tutorials. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. If you like this tutorial and you want more tutorials like this, as a matter of fact, there's another tutorial popping up on your screen right now. Check that one out as well. I think you'll like it, and I'll see y'all on the next video.